Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm Hello Buddy. So this video I will proceed to STPM Biology Semester 3 Chapter 14, the under topic in the animalia, the fourth phylum Arthropoda. Okay, so this video I will only explain the structure and then the characteristic under phylum Arthropoda. But for this phylum Arthropoda, you have to learn. You will learn until class. For if you see that 1, 2, 3, these three phylums, you only learn until phylum, right? This phylum only you do not learn until class. But Arthropoda, you have to learn until class. So, okay. So what are Arthropoda? So if you already see this picture, this background picture, you already know lah. What kind of any species as under Arthropoda. So you see spider, and then you see the centipede. Ini semua adalah under phylum Arthropoda. And also if you see the scorpions, butterfly, insects, semua adalah under Arthropoda. Okay, so the general characteristic under Arthropoda, what are the general characteristics? So yang first kali, it is triboblastic coleomax and it is bilaterally cemented. So yang paling penting, first one is it is triboblastic and it is coleomax. And another one for the symmetry is bilateral, and then their body is cemented. So if you see my the previous video about the phylum Peperiksaan, I already explained what I mean by cemented. So cemented means body of this species have one bahagian. If you see this, ini, orang tengok ada satu bahagian, ada have one part, right? Ada satu bahagian punya. So this is called cemented. Okay, so cementation is very important from an evolutionary perspective because it provides the opportunity for specialization of body region. Ini macam evolutionary lah, because evolutionary history lah for provide opportunity for specialization of body region. Okay, for then there are lack of cilia on external surface of body and organ. So kebanyakan organism ni mereka tak banyak cilia. If you already forget cilia, you go to epithelium tissue. Epithelium tissue, one type of epithelium tissue got cilia, right? So for this kind of organism, they normally do not have cilia. And also they have tubular gut extend from mouth to anus. Tubular gut, macam satu gut lah. Satu gut from mouth to anus. And then when segment of body fuse together form stigmata, when head of fuse with thorax form called hepatothorax. Maybe this one you don't know. Later I use picture, you will know already. And they have also sensory organ include compound eyes and olfactory receptor and antenna, touch and smell. And the compound eyes, what are the functions of compound eyes? Compound eyes composed of light sensitive unit called ommatidia that can form an image and is especially adapted for detecting movement. So inilah unique characteristic for them. They have compound eyes. Okay. For the stigmata and hepatothorax, you can see this picture. So see this picture. Ini picture dia. Macam yang ni adalah general picture for the grasshopper. Ini grasshopper, right? So when segment of body fuse together, they form stigmata. So if you all of the body segment body mereka gabung akan panggil stomata. And then another one is if the head fuse with thorax form stigma called hepatothorax. So kalau kepala dia gabung dengan body segmental body, dia akan panggil hepatothorax. So yang ni maybe you don't know, and maybe you first time listening these terms, you can make a suggestion. So senang je, their segmentation of body fits together. Macam boleh kata lah body dia lah, badan dia mereka gabung semua gabung together called what? Stigmata atau segment or stigma also okay. And then when head fits with this stigma, we'll call cephalodorex. So the whole body dia akan panggil cephalodorex. Itu je. And then they have compound eyes, and then they also have antennae. Antennae yang panjang-panjang punya lah. Awak tengok insect ada panjang-panjang, tua panjang-panjang dekat kepala mereka, itu called antennae. Okay, and then also got one guard. You have to know one called tubular guard. Tubular guard yang ni lah semua, yang ni until anus ini lah semua panggil tubular guard. Okay, so okay, and then for the organism for Ahtropoda, it is open circulatory system. They have circulatory system, and it is open circulatory system. I don't know you still remember your SPM level or not. SPM level, I think you have learned right, open circulatory system, open and closed circulatory system. So for Ahtropoda, it is open circulatory system. Circulatory system look like macam ni. So I think this one actually you already learned in SPM. This kind of picture, I think you must learn. You have already learned. So they consist of periversal cavity called hemocele. I say I don't know how to pronounce. Hemocele. I think it is hemocele. Hemocele, and food is called hemolymph. Hemolymph macam blood lah. Blood. For human, we call blood is blood, but for the Ahtropoda organism, they do not call blood, they call hemolymph. And then the hemolymph is pumped from heart through arteries and then into sinus, and then hemolymph will enter heart through pores that equipped with valve. Wow, ni saya ambil dari SPM buku punya. Hopefully you can understand. So open circulatory system, why it is called open? Because dia lah macam ni, dia ada open punya. Awak tengok gambar ni, dia akan ada satu lubang, dia akan open to the hemocele. Ini semua part yang tak ada capillaries punya, semua ada called hemocele. This is why it called open. So dia ada satu lubang, kita panggil lubang lah, ada satu lubang boleh pergi ke hemocele punya. Tapi human tak ada kan? Human semua ada capillaries punya. Tapi yang di Ahtropoda dia adalah open circulatory system. Okay, so then you have to know they have pair and jointed appendage. Okay, appendage ni kaki mereka. Tapi mereka bukan kaki. Kenapa? Karena mereka kakinya sangat ada, mereka bukan boleh kata kaki, tapi kaki mereka kebanyakan adalah sangat tipis punya, sangat kecil-kecil punya. Ini yang kecil-kecil ni, semua kecil-kecil punya kaki dia. So we call appendage, not leg ya. You cannot say jointed legs. Jointed legs, as you examination that jointed legs, totally wrong. You have to use appendage. So they have pair and jointed. So pair, berpasangan punya, and then jointed, mereka came together, join punya. Dan bukan macam human hanya satu saja kan. A pair, they have a pair of leg, but not jointed together. If jointed together macam mana human berjalan. Tapi for this kind of organism, they are jointed together. Okay, this appendage, what are the functions? Serve as swimming, paddles, walking, mouth part for capturing, and then manipulating food, sensory structure, and organ of transmission. So ini function for the appendage. So appendage not only at the surface ni, they also have ini. Yang ni awak tengok mouth part and pincer defense also have the appendage one. Not only yang bahagian belakang punya, ini bahagian in front of them also have many appendage one. And they do not have nephron lah. But they have malphidian tubules. So the excretory system for Ahtropoda is through malphidian tubules, not nephron. Nephron is for human, but they do not like human. They call malphidian tubules. Okay, and then for aquatic Ahtropoda, they also have gills that function in gaseous exchange. And for the terrestrial Ahtropoda, they have a system of internal budget tube called trachea or trachea tubule. So this is for the gaseous exchange part. So for the aquatic, they have gills, like macam fish, like a fish, they have gill for gaseous exchange. But for the terrestrial, they have the trachea system. Trachea system to play responsibility for gaseous exchange. Okay, so hopefully you understand this general characteristic. Another part is for the nervous system part. So they have double change of segmented ganglia along the ventral surface. So they have ini macam nervous system there. At the anterior end of the animal are three fused pair of dorsal ganglia, and then ventral ganglia play the role in control much of the animal's activity. So yang ni hanya cakap double chain of segmental ganglia along the ventral surface. You see segmental ganglia. Ganglia adalah nama untuk nerve mereka for the name of the nerve for them. Okay, and so therefore an Ahtropoda can carry out functions such as eating, moving, and copulating even the brain has been removed. So you have to know the brain seems to be a control point or inhibitor for various actions rather than stimulator. So this is why if you see the cockroach, yang paling example cockroach, even awak potong kepala dia masih boleh bergerak. Kenapa? Because the major role to play animals this kind of animal activity is ventral ganglia. Ventral ganglia mana? Sini. Yang middle part punya, bukan kepala. You have to know that. For human, the play role in nervous system is brain, our brain. But for Ahtropoda organism not will play the major role of nervous system is ventral nerve cord atau ventral ganglia lah. Ventral nerve cord yang play major role. So even awak potong kepala mereka pun boleh bergerak juga. Tak akan mati punya. Tak akan mati immediately. Why? Because natural nerve cord. So if you want to make them die, you have to destroy this cord, destroy this nerve, not kepala, bukan kepala mereka. You have to destroy this nerve yang di bahagian ini, bawah kepala punya, bukan kepala mereka. So this is why even their brain is removed, they can still moving also. So ini lah the unique characteristic for the Ahtropoda organisms. So for the Ahtropoda organism is finished. Okay, so yang ni lah saya cakap awak for Ahtropoda you have to learn until class. You have to learn until class. For others you also just only learn until phylum only, right? Okay. For class there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 classes you have to know. So first class Arahinda, Merostomata, Chilopoda, Diplopoda, Malacostaka, and Insecta. And okay, but for I think if I not remember that, for the Oxford book, it will give another name called Kustaka. Kustaka, right? If I not remember for Oxford book, Malacostaka, it is under Kustaka, Custaca. But if you refer Campbell books, actually no terms Kustaka at all. So for my experience, so I prefer Campbell. So actually for the prawn, and also I already searched Google internet. Normally they say Mola costata is the class of Arthropoda, but for Costaka actually I don't know. Costaka they do not show that Costaka is under class of Arthropoda. So I in this slide I use Mala Costaka is more safety compared to use Costaka. So I use Mola Costaka because Campbell also write Mola Costaka, and even I Google also kebanyakan semua cakap Mola Costaka. So okay, yeah, others are same, others tak ada ubah. Okay, Araninda. So if you see this table, I actually already do a very simple table already compared to the Oxford books. Okay, I've tried my best to do as simple as possible already. Okay, so okay, saya tak perlu ini structure atau perlu cakap dahulu. I use the example dahulu. So example dahulu. Okay. For the example, for the yang bahagian atas punya adalah genus name mereka. So actually you have to iterate them. I forget to iterate, but actually you have to iterate them. You have to iterate them. Ya ini, atas punya. Ini semua genus name mereka. Example genus names under these classes. But actually you have to iterate them. So if you want to write the scientific name, you have to iterate them. But I forget to iterate. So for Araninda, so the example species is spider. Spider is under Araninda. And then horseshoe crab, yang ni, awak nampak ni, horseshoe crab is under Merostomata. And then for Chilopoda and Dipopoda actually is under like dia macam look like macam ni lah. Centipede and millipede. What are the differences? Later I will explain. And then for Mola costata is prawn. Example is prawn. And then for insecta I already put picture lah. Insect lah. All type of insect. Like cockroach, grasshopper, cockroach, and other type of insect. Bees, ants, and ants also under insect. Okay. So yang bahagian satu, the first column, first row is place found. Mana mereka dapat cari? So for spider, if you see spider is can eat. Can you find spider in sea, in water? Cannot, right? So it is terrestrial. Terrestrial is landing, dia land punya macam human. And then Merostomata, crab is marine animal. And for Chilopoda and Dipopoda, if you see this kind of organism, is it live in the sea? No, it is terrestrial. And then for the Melanogaster, prawn is marine. And for the insecta is terrestrial. Ini tempat mereka cari. Okay, and then for the body. Okay, body mereka yang pertama adalah for Araninda and Merostomata is Cephalothorax. Cephalothorax mean that they do not have dia macam ni lah. Dia bukan macam ni lah. Cephalothorax mereka tak ada, hanya head dan thorax saja. If you see the definition of Cephalothorax, this means that the head fused with thorax form tegma. Fused with thorax. The head filled with thorax. Head filled with thorax form tegma. This kind is called Cephalothorax. Hanya head and thorax saja. Mereka tak ada abdomen punya. Ini bahagian mereka tak ada punya. Mereka langsung tak ada. So that is why they are Cephalothorax. So if you see spider, mereka tak ada abdomen punya. Okay, for Cephalothorax actually is for class Araninda, Merostomata, and another one is Melanogaster. Okay, and then for Chilopoda and Dipopoda is got head but with segmental body. They do not have thorax. And for the insecta, they have head and thorax and also abdomen. Ini you have to separate it lah. So for Cephalosaurus, they do not have abdomen. For Chilopoda and Dipopoda, they have head and with segmental body only. They do not have thorax and abdomen punya. Okay. For antennea yang awak nampak insect tu ada one pair of yang panjang-panjang punya lah. Ini. Inilah macam ini. Ini. Antenna lah, called antenna. So for Arachnida and Molosoma, they do not have antenna. Mereka langsung tak ada. For Chilopoda and Dipopoda, they have one pair, and also insecta they also have one pair. For Malay Sukatan, they have two pairs. Okay. And then for mouth part, mereka for Arachnida and Molosoma, they do not have mouth. And then for Chilopoda and Dipopoda, they have one pair of mouth part, and insecta have 3 pairs of mouth part. Okay, for Malay Sukatan, at least 3 pairs. Banyak. At least 3 pairs. Dia more than 3 pairs. Kalau awak tengok pun, awak tengok dia lah. Mouth part dia sangat banyak punya. Okay, for the eyes, for Arachnida and Molosoma, they only have simple eyes only. Macam human punya, only have simple eyes only. And Chilopoda and Dipopoda, they have simple and maybe will present compounds. Maybe will present compound. And Molosoma is compound eyes, and insecta also have simple and compound eyes. Both it also have. Okay. And for the appendage, kaki mereka for Arachnida will have 4 pairs of Cephalosaurus. So that is why spider is not considered as insect, because insect only have 3 pairs of legs, 3 pairs of appendage, but Arachnida actually have 4 pairs. Okay, and for the Melastomata have 4 pairs of walking legs. Chilopoda and Dipopoda have many legs. Actually, it has many legs, but it is 1 pair per segment and 2 pairs per segment. Inilah general main difference between Chilopoda and Dipopoda. So maybe you not clear. So I draw. Okay, Chilopoda, I already say segment right. Macam ni. Okay, another one is Dipopoda. Also has segment body. Okay, for 1 pair per segment, it means that this 1 pair is 1 segment, and 1 segment. And then 1 pair per segment means that dia hanya ada 2 kaki saja di sini. Inilah. Inilah kaki dia. Hanya 1 segment, hanya 1 pair, a pair of appendage. But for this, 1 segment it has 2 pairs. Dia ada 4 kaki per segment. Dia ada 4 kaki punya. So this is the general this is the differences between Chilopoda and Dipopoda. Hanya difference ini sahaja. Yang lain semua sama saja. Yang lain semua sahaja. Hanya difference ini sahaja. Only these differences. Okay. For the Molosoma, banyak lah. Banyak juga lah. 10 pairs lah. And 1 pair per segment. And insecta got 3 pairs on thorax. Okay. And for the gases exchange, for Arachnida is use book lungs. Dia macam grab. Ada book lungs. For Melastomata is using gills, macam fish. For Chilopoda, Dipopoda, and insecta is using trachea. And Melastomata also using gills, macam fish. Okay, that is example species. So done for it. So actually, if you want to say difficult, not difficult. Actually, is easy to understand only. So insecta, I think is very easy. No, I don't need to say in main way. Arachnida also very easy because spider is example. Yeah, Molosoma also very easy because you spawn as example. So I think not too difficult at all to understand. Just you want to memorize also is not easy, not difficult also. Okay. so this video is finished. So hopefully you can scan this QR code. So let me know what are the problem have this in this video and any comment about this video. Thank you.